Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain calls. Grains are mixed overnight. We've got the soybean market up right now about 7 cents in the May at 11.58. Your key initial resistance is 11.71. Corn right now is up about a penny at 4.26. Again, a sell-off on Friday took us further away from resistance at about 4.34. And the wheat market's anywhere from 1 to 3 cents lower. And again, the market broke pretty hard late last week. Just weaker Russia, Europe prices, increased supply out of Europe and the Black Sea for wheat exports, and keeps the U.S. Out of the mix as far as new sales are concerned. This week, a lot is going to go on. We've got Super Tuesday. Also on Tuesday, China comes out with their annual conference, and it's interesting that the president of China will not have a press conference following this, and we'll see what kind of stimulus package they announce to try to help their economy. We also have Fed Chairman speaking to Congress this week. We've got the USDA report on Friday, and we'll be watching all that information pretty close. The talk right now is the Fed may not lower interest rates as much as some people had anticipated. The latest thing I saw on the business news was a prediction that maybe they won't lower rates until after the election. So in the grains, I think South American weather is okay, and I think the big thing about the USDA report on Friday is will they lower the Brazil corn and soybean crop, and how that influences world supply and demand numbers. In the U.S., on the bean side of things, they could raise the crush but lower the exports numbers, keeping the S&Ds about unchanged as far as carryout is concerned. In the corn, they could lower the corn export number, despite the fact that we're ahead as far as inspections and export commitment. There's going to be a lot of competition for corn from Ukraine and South America, U.S. exports down the road. And the wheat, not much expected to change there. Some people think they could raise the Russian wheat crop, and in the U.S. keep pretty much S&Ds unchanged. So it's a big report for a lot of people, especially in the bean complex down the road. So beans a little bit higher, meal gaining on oil, corn a little bit higher, wheat a little bit lower, outside market stocks a little bit lower, dollars a little bit lower, crude's a little bit lower, gold's a little bit lower, but coffee, cocoa, and sugar are all higher.